Good afternoon, everyone. How's everyone doing today? My name is Mike, and I'm with Capsaicin Ridge, and we're here to show you how to grow better. We focus on growing the world's hottest and always organic. So to get right into everything, some of the products that we use is the Miracle Grow seed starting mix. We use a 72 cell tray with a humidity dome, a seed germinating mat. These heating mats heat anywhere from 70 to 85 degrees. Our little name tags here that we put in each cell. And when we go to water, this is what we use to water with in order to get success. So, just to kind of get right into this, after about 3 years of trying things and trying to figure out how to get our seedlings to succeed, we found that the method that we're going to show you has been the easiest. So take a look at how we do this. Just pour this right on here, level all the dirt out. And you guys can actually do this depending upon where you live. Any time of the year round, there's a lot of different views on that. However, if you guys are in Florida, you guys can start these seeds year round using the heating mat. Start them inside. And still have success year round. And I'll show you here in a few minutes what we're going to be growing, what we focus on growing here at Capsaicin Ridge. Our main focus is to grow only the world's hottest peppers, and always organically. Never anything else. So once we have these cells I'll show you. So we have these filled to the top. We're just going to kind of take and poke our finger in here a little bit in each little cell, and that's where we're going to put 1 or 2 seeds at. And then we'll show you right after how we do our watering for success. You guys are more than welcome to give us comments as this is going to be our very first video. So I don't know if you guys can see this, but these are the chocolate scorpions. And the Carolina Reapers. Generally, I like to use gloves, but today, for this purpose, we're not going to use any gloves. So I'm just going to take and put one in each cell. One or two, drop one or two in each cell. Sometimes you might want to put two because you never know if you're going to get, if one cell is not going to germinate or not. So you always want to have everything germinating all at once. So that way you can transplant everything at once. I don't know if we're going to plant all of these today. Oh shit. Plant a little too much in that one. It's okay though. Alright. That'll be enough of the Carolina Reapers that we put down. And before I go to plant any of the other ones, the chocolate scorpions, just what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take these labels and I'm gonna go ahead and label them now. I'm just gonna put one in each row. That way I don't have to waste these right now, and they're already labeled and I know what we got. And then here's the chocolate scorpions. I know it's hard to see. And these are chocolate maruga scorpions. Very hot. Very hot. I don't advise anyone to use their hands, but you know, whatever you want to do. If you guys would like to see other videos from us, feel free to comment what videos you want to see. Be sure to subscribe for when we do create other videos. As I said earlier, this is our first video here at Capsaicin Ridge. What we plan on putting more out there to help the pepper community and everything that we've learned in the last 3 years of growing. Keep hitting that damn dome. Alright, so so now that we have all of our cells filled up, go ahead and label these cells here so we know what those are. Chocolate Trinidad Moruga scorpions, if you want to be technical. All right, got those. And then I'm actually just gonna take and spread some more dirt over top of all of this. A little quicker today. You want to make sure the dirt's not compacted, because the roots need to be able to go through the dirt and, you know, grow their roots. Okay. Just like that. Very simple. Very simple and easy. This is easy stuff. After 3 years of figuring this out. Trial and error. We've learned everything the hard way, and we don't want you guys to do the same thing. Okay. Just like that. I'll show you here, and you know, as you can see, everything is pretty much covered up. And then we have a pump sprayer here, and all I'm going to do is with this pump sprayer is I'm just going to water it, just like that. Just like that. Very easy, very simple. Pump sprayer is the best thing that you can use, in my opinion, and everything that we've studied. And that's it. And now all we're going to do is take the heating mat, plug it in, and put this dome over top of the heating mat. Over top of the seed tray, and then the tray on top of the heating mat, and that's it. So if you guys have any thoughts, questions, opinions, anything, feel free to leave us a comment, subscribe, anything that you guys feel necessary. All right. Thank you for listening.